Good morning, children. Today's chapter in GK is chapter number 18, Famous Landmarks. Famous landmarks of India are monuments of national importance. They include the famous and most beautiful monuments with rock sculpture, monolith, statues, and archaeological sites. Now, below pictures are given to you and description is also given to you. With the help of this description, you have to name. The first one is this is the cellular jail. A large number of freedom fighters were imprisoned in this jail. It was also known as Kala Pani. Yes, children. Any guesses? It's in Port Blair. Now, the next is this is the famous Durga temple. It was built by Chalukya kings of the Deccan. Yes, children, it is Ahol. The next is this is the famous Kamakhya temple of Northeast. I think you all have heard of it. It is a major pilgrimage destination. Yes, children, it is in Guwahati. The next picture you can see is this is the Lotus Mahal. It displays a perfect blend of Hindu and Islamic architecture. It is in Hampi. The next picture you can see is it is the Dhamek Stupa. It is the place where Gautam Buddha gave his first sermon. Yes, children, it is in Sarnath. Next picture you can see this is the Chand Minar or the Tower of Moon. It is located at Daulatabad Fort. Yes, children, any idea? It is in Dogri. It is in Dogri. Next is you can see this is the Krishna butter ball. It is a delicately balanced natural boulder. Yes, children, it is in Mahabalipuram. Next picture you can see this is the summer palace known as Darya Daulat Bagh. It was built by Tipu Sultan. Yes, children, it is in Srirangapatnam. The next chapter is chapter number 19, First in India. Yes, children, you must be knowing the first person who reached the moon first. Right now, different personalities are given to you in this chapter. You have to recognize them. First one is the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Yes, children. Bachendri Pal. The next, I think you all know, the first women astronaut in space of Indian origin. Yes, children. Kalpana Chawla. The first governor of Reserve Bank of India, Sir Osborne Smith. The next picture you can see the first Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Yes, children. Hira Lal J. Kania. Next picture, the first Indian Governor General of India, C. Rajagopalachari. The next picture, first ICAS officer in India, Satyendra Nath Tagore. First Indian in space. Yes, children, first Indian in space. Squadron leader Rakesh Sharma. The first man to climb Mount Everest without oxygen. Yes, children. Fudorji. The first Indian Commander-in-Chief of Free India. Yes, it is General K.M. Karyappa. The next is the first Indian Air Force officer to get the Paramveer Chakra. Yes, Nirmaljeet Singh Sekhon. Okay, yes, children, in this chapter you have learned the personalities who reached first in India. Now, the next chapter is business entrepreneurs. Now, entrepreneurs means the owners. Now, they are the great personalities you can see in this. You will learn about these personalities in this chapter. The first is you have to name them. She is the CEO and MD of ICICI Bank, the largest private bank in India. In 2009, she was at number 20 in the Forbes World's 100 Most Powerful Women list. Yes, she is Chandra Kochar. Chandra Kochar. The second is he is the heading one of the most successful business conglomerates in India. His dream of manufacturing a car costing 1 lakh came true with the launch of Nano, the cheapest car worldwide in 2009. Yes, children, you all know Ratan Tata. Next is the rapid development of Gurugram as a world famous outsourcing destination can be credited to this leader, under whose leadership numerous earthquake proof office spaces were built. He is the chairman and CEO of DLF Universal Limited. Yes, children. He is Kushal Pal Singh. Kushal Pal Singh. The next you can see in 1978 she started Biocon India with a capital of 10,000. Today it is the biggest biopharmaceutical firm in India under her leadership. Yes, children, she is Kiran Majumdar Shaw. Kiran Majumdar Shaw. Next, he was the founder and chief mentor of Infosys, one of the premier IT companies in India. Yes, children. N.R. Narayana Murthy. N.R. Narayana Murthy. The next you can see is at the age of 21, he took over his family business, which later became Wipro Products Limited, Wipro Technologies, and Wipro Corporation. Since then, the company has been known for its various products, including IT. Yes, children, he is Azim Premji. Azim Premji. Now, the next chapter is Indian Nobel Laureates. Yes, Indian Nobel Laureates. Now, who all have received the Nobel Prizes, you will learn in this chapter. The first is, in this you have to match the person who received which Nobel Prize. Now, the first is C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman, Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930, and the first Indian scientist to win this prize, option E. Now, the next you can see is Venkataraman Ramakrishnan. Yes, Venkataraman Ramakrishnan, Nobel Prize for Chemistry in 2009, option C. Next you can see Amartya Sen, you all have heard of it. Yes, Nobel Prize for Economics, studied in 1998, option G. Now the next is Har Govind Khurana. Har Govind Khurana. Yes, children, awarded Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1968, jointly with Robert W. Halley. Option A. Rajendra K. Pachauri. Yes, children, Rajendra K. Pachauri. He was the chairman of panel on climate change, and his organization was awarded Nobel Prize for Peace. Option I. The next is Rabindranath Tagore. You all have heard of it. Nobel Prize in 1913 for literature, and the first Indian to receive it. Option D. Kailash Satyarthi. Yes, children. Nobel Peace Prize in 2014 for campaign on children's right of education. Option H. Next is Mother Teresa. Yes, children, you all are aware of Mother Teresa? Yes. Option B. Nobel Peace Prize for helping the poor and dying. Now, the next is Subramaniam Chandrasekhar. Yes, children. Subramaniam Chandrasekhar, option F, Nobel Prize for Physics in 1983. In this chapter, you have learned the personalities who have received Nobel Prizes. Thank you, children.